Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. First of all, thank you all so much for showering so much love on my previous video in which I showed you that how we created our own Ganesha at home. And in today's video, I am going to show you that how we all celebrated this Ganpati festival. So let's begin with it. Here, my mother-in-law, my husband and Molshri, as you all know her, are decorating Ganpati Bappa's asan, where our Ganpati Bappa is going to Virajman after puja. And now the puja has begun. Our eldest Kaka, Raju Kaka, is doing Pratisthapana for Bappa, and we all were enjoying this puja. It was so positive and so beautiful atmosphere. It feels like Bappa is home and he's blessing us all with lots of love. Now my husband is trying to do some more decoration, and as you all can see here with bricks, we were trying to figure out something that how we can decorate this whole space and create a beautiful look out of it. After this, our Kaka, Praveen Kaka, came and did this beautiful painting on these bricks, and it changed the whole look of the decoration. As you all can see, he is just using one brush and distemper and the beautiful decoration is done. Isn't that amazing? Now after the Aarti, we all are going to sing Ganpati Atharvashish for Bappa. This is our everyday ritual. Now here at my mom's place, we are preparing for Gauri Agaman. After 2 days of Ganpati Bappa's Pratisthapana, Gauri also comes to bless us. Here we are preparing Fulora, that is Prasad, for Mahalakshmiya as in Gauri. This is how we welcomed our dear Gauri in my Sasural. These are called Khadyacha Mahalakshmiya or Ganga Gauri in Marathi, where we get 5 different stones from the riverside and worship these as our Gauri. We perform their Visarjan together with our dear Ganpati Bappa. I personally love these traditions a lot as it speaks a lot about our family values, respect for Bappa, Gauri and our elders in the family. Here we are doing all the rituals that has to be done while welcoming our Mahalakshmi. As they say, Ghar ki Lakshmi perform all the rituals while welcoming Gauri. So I am doing all those rituals and I am feeling so blessed that I got this chance to perform all these rituals with my dear mother-in-laws. Aren't these rituals so beautiful? Here my mother-in-law welcoming Gauri with Aukshavan, that is, removing any bad or negative energy and welcoming our Mahalakshmi with whole lot of positivity. With lots of positivity, sound of bells and so much happiness, we welcomed our Mahalakshmi. Here in my Maika, traditions are a little different. We do the Pratisthapana of these Mahalakshmi idols. We dress them up, decorate beautiful makhar for them, and they look so beautiful after all the decoration. And then we invite them for Prasad next day. On this day, we prepare a lot of food items, authentic Marathi food like Puran Poli, Ambil, Karanji and so many things. This is how we welcomed our Mahalakshmi. As they say, Gauri, that is Jeshtha and Kanishta, are daughters of this family, and they come to their Maika every year during these days. We all welcome the beautiful daughters and take care of them, feed them their favorite food, and just give them all the respect and love. We are decorating them with authentic Marathi traditional jewelry. Look at these beautiful Tejomay Murtis. Look at their calm, beautiful faces. And they look so divine. I feel so blessed that I am able to become a part of all these traditions. So it's next day. Here is our Ganpati Bappa, our Kul Devi, and finally after puja, our Jeshtha Kanishta with their kids. They look so beautiful. I just cannot take my eyes off from them. Today we have Ganpati Visarjan at our home and we are preparing modaks for our dear Ganpati Bappa. Here me and my dear Sasuma making these modaks, and I must tell you, my Sasuma makes super delicious modaks. They were really amazing. We all love these small little moments that we spend together, and these all are the memories that we are creating. It was a lovely time, I must say. While I was preparing one dish for the dinner in kitchen, Malshri and I, that is my Sasuma, are preparing pond for Bappa's Visarjan. They decorated this pond with lots of flowers, heart, and different kinds of things. As you all can see, they are doing really hard work. I love these flowers on the water. They look so beautiful, right? Now the decoration thing is still going on. Malshri is decorating this pond with mango tree leaves, and there is one plant behind that. While Visarjan, it was looking really beautiful. And can you spot that sweet little rangoli? Isn't it looking gorgeous? Now that everything is ready, we will do the final aarti and will say goodbye to our dear Bappa with heavy heart.
गणपती चालले आपल्या गावा आमचा राम राम घ्यावा गणपती चालले आपल्या गावा आमचा राम राम घ्यावा
let's begin with the Visarjan.
गणपती बाप्पा
मोरया
मंगल मूर्ती
मोरया
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 गणपती बाप्पा
गणपती चालले आपल्या गावा
आमचा राम राम घ्यावा गणपती चालले आपल्या गावा आमचा राम राम घ्यावा
गणपती चालले आपल्या गावा
आमचा राम राम घ्यावा
पावसाला मुखाने गजानना बोला तो पायी हळूहळू चाली बाप्पा
मोरया
बाप्पा
मोरया गणपती बाप्पा मोरया.
So I hope that you all loved this video, and if you did so, then please let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new video every week, so just watch this space. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye, take care.